And welcome back to my channel. So if you know from the last video I went to Toowell, but I was in search of the perfect lampshade inspired by lampshades that I've seen online. So I want to show you what I got from both HomeSense and Toowell. Okay, so I just got back and I just want to quickly go through what I got from Toowell and HomeSense very quickly, because I have some of the packages to open. So I got this lovely globe here, and it's actually very heavy. It's on this marble. I got this lovely, this is from HomeSense, and it's this lovely $4.99 for this little pot here, which I'm going to put some flowers in. I've got this mirror as well from HomeSense, and then I got this Egyptian cotton diffuser from Toowell. I also got this lamp from Toowell, which I'm going to use in the kitchen, and yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. And then I've got this lovely candle. Let's open it up. There we go. This is a beautiful candle, and I love the fact that it is from Laura Ashley. And yeah, the smell is beautiful. This is going to be a lovely spring candle. Then I got a range of greenery and some two lovely kind of like burgundy-ish flowers at the top there. And I got all of these. They all come singular, but I got a whole bunch of these, some eucalyptus as well from Toowell. I'm going to cut those. I'm going to be placing them in that pot there. I also got things for the cats as well, some bedding that I needed. So in the basket I bought this actual like little mattress. I got this one from HomeSense, and it, you know, it doesn't fit perfectly in the basket, but it works. So there he is in his lovely bed, and I'm hoping he's going to like it. So I also got from Toowell when I went, it was this reed diffuser. So let's get this. So they give you this, is the scent. Just a simple one. I think that's lovely. And then you get the little sticks as well to put in there. And yeah, I think that's really, really nice. And I also got this from a shop called Perch and Parrow. That's it, Perch and Parrow. So if you search them up online, they actually do lampshades. And in here, I do have two lampshades, which I'm very excited to open and show you, because these are going to be for my kitchen. Beautiful. This is the it's called Shell Bay Blue. I just thought that looks beautiful. So I'm going to be putting one on the wall in the kitchen. I'm going to be replacing this one with my Laura Ashley one, because the Laura Ashley one is not suiting the vibe for my kitchen. I also have another one like this because I'm going to put a lamp next to my kettle, and I want them to be identical, just so it's just all matching and uniform. So I love that. It's a traditional, but I love the fact it's got these beautiful blues. It's got this lovely fabric, nice cotton, and it's got this lovely leaf design there in this beautiful blue. So this is my one that's there at the moment in this lovely Laura Ashley, and I think you can understand when that goes on there, it's going to look a lot better. I think this is quite large for what I wanted. So, and it will just clip on like a hat. There we go. And I think that looks so much better. And there it looks. If you're not feeling your lampshades and it doesn't fit the vibes. Oh, I also want to show you these cups I actually got. I actually got these cups from eBay, and they are Windsor Castle mugs, and I got a pack of 6. The cat broke one of them, so I only got 5 now. Okay, so this is the table lamp that I bought, and it was nice because I actually got this one from Amazon. It's a rechargeable, so you charge it with the USB, and I love the fact that it's got all these detailing. Now, the ones that I saw today from Homebase and Toowell, they weren't exactly what I was looking for because they didn't have the details. This one has got all the lovely details. That's the bulb that comes with it. It's included with it. And the other thing is is that it was small, and I know you can get taller ones. This is a smaller one, and I wanted something small, so I wanted to fit under the unit. And there you go, that is what it would look like. So that is the actual lampshade that came with it, and that's what it would have looked like if it was on. And I just think this one just brings it a touch, I don't know, it's just that little bit more glamorous, having the lovely, and again it goes with all of my Laura Ashley set here. So let's put this in place. But yeah, so there it is, there's your light. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of DIY here. I'm going to show you the light that's hanging in my kitchen. I did see a porcelain light, actually, which is what I wanted. It was from Kathy Kidson, and it was sold in Next. I'm going to show you a picture of it above here somewhere. So check out that picture. And yeah, so what it is that it was £99, and I thought, I'm not paying £99 for just a light fitting that goes above the kitchen table. So I decided I'm going to DIY one and just make one look similar. So this is where all this comes in handy. So this is my beautiful blue light. I really like it. It says soft blue on the description at Dull Elm, only £10. And I've got the rope here, and it's got the lovely, you can see it's got the brass fittings and not the black, which I think it will be nice because it will definitely highlight against this light blue here. And then inside I'm going to do some florals. As you can see, inside it's all white, and like you saw in the picture of the Kathy Kidson, I can actually design my own florals around here, and I got these from Amazon, and they're just furniture transfers, so I can have a look what we've got, cut some out, stick them, and when I'm happy with it, then we can put the light in. So as you can see, it looks like this. I've opened it now, and that fits perfectly, so it can go in like that. And then it's got all the light fittings there, and to hold that in place, it's got this attachment ring that you screw on here, and that will just stay in place. So it looks like this. Here are all of the transfers. They give you this little stick to rub, and I can cut them out, arrange how I want it to go. I'm so happy with that. We're going to tear off the sticker like this. We're going to place it where we want it to go. I'm going to put my first one. Let's put it up here so you can see. Okay, so first one, I'm going to place it up here. So that is beautiful. Oh, wow. Can you even see? Look at that. So that's going to be great when that you can look, when you're under it and you look up, and it's not going to cost me £99. Let's say yes. When it happens like this, and it's so good and it's so easy, I like this butterfly here. I'm going to take this butterfly and place it somewhere. Okay. I'm literally just rubbing it with my nail, by the way, just to make it quick. But then I'm going to do it myself, and then I'm going to show you at the end what it looks like. But you have to be so careful. But there you go, there's the butterfly. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to go all the way around, and yeah. Okay, so I've finished, and that is what that looks like. Got all my cuttings everywhere, and I'm only left with that, which is not a problem. I could reuse this somewhere else, but that is absolutely lovely. And also, like I say, you can see, like even from an angle, you can see this part of the light. So when it's going to have all these florals, you can actually see it. Okay, so the light is now up, and you can see that brass fitting that I was talking about, and you can see that you can see the florals, and it is in the nice light blue colour, which complements the kitchen. As you can see, the light there with the brass, well, gold if you like. Yeah, so I'm really happy with that. And I suppose you want to see what this light looks like on. So let's put this on. So as you can see underneath, if you are looking up, it looks beautiful. I absolutely love it. I think it came out better than what I thought. I was a little bit worried, but now I'm so happy. So the light is on, and as you can see there, you can see all the beautiful florals when you look up at the light. This video is all about lights, so it's all about the lighting. I've showed you a couple of lights that I've opened and some of the lovely lampshades that I got for the kitchen. I also want to show you lampshades that I got for the living room, and also a lampshade holder that I got from Amazon as well. So we'll do this one first. So this is from Amazon, and I do have one of these lights in my living room at the moment, and I do want a second one for the wall. It's a wall light. It's a USB chargeable. So these are great for especially people that are renting. You don't need to worry about electrics or anything else like that. So it's very good. I recommend them because I've got two of these. One I have in my hallway. I have three actually. I have one in my kitchen, one in my hallway, and one in my living room. And I'll show you the other one that I got in the living room in a moment. But let's get this one out first, because they are just these plain white ones. And if you do like these kind of light shades, then that's fair enough. I personally don't. I like some character in my lampshades. I like some colour in my lampshades. So I've definitely got some charactered lampshades as well for the living room as well. So these are the wall lights. So in here, let's see what we get. So there is the other addition to so that will go onto there. So these are in the matte black. You can get them in gold, and I think you can get them in chrome. So this is your USB charge for the light. There is a battery that comes with this, so you get your remote control, and they do actually include the batteries for the remote control. This is what you'll be using as your drill point to put this on the wall. So that's it. Just literally takes two drill holes. They do give you all the attachments, so you get the screws and you get the raw plugs as well there. And also, what else do we get? We get the batteries for the remote control, and you also get the battery which needs to be charged which actually inserts into the wall light, and you can see where it inserts there. So this is great. So you don't have to take anything off the wall. You don't have to try and plug anything into the wall. You literally just slot your battery out, charge it, and then slot it back in for it to work. So let's have a look at the lampshades. Oh, this is from this company called Love Lighting. This is from Love Lighting. So if you have a look on their website, you can see a lot of lights. And I like the Pookie lights, but they're very, very expensive. So I decided to go with ones that look similar. So there, it's a lovely burgundy, and that goes definitely with my oxblood sofa and the oxblood armchair. So I got two of those, and I think that's going to look really, really nice when it's on the wall on the black. I think that's going to tie in really, really nicely. So this is the wall light that I've got in my room here, as you can see, and that is the lampshade that's on there at the moment. That is a proper original Pookie lampshade actually that I got from eBay, and it was bought at Liberty's, but it's yellow. It doesn't really go with anything, and this one goes more with the room, and so I'm going to replace it with this one. I might reuse that in the hallway. I'll see. So there you have it, and I think that looks really, really nice. And yeah, it's going to be nice to have a second one that will go up on the wall, but I really, really like that one. And you can see that there is a difference, because you can see how wide this one is, and I didn't want a really wide. I really wanted like a little petite little lampshade, not too much, but it's there, and it's petite. And yeah, so definitely measure your centimeters when you're doing this as well. I think these ones were like 16 centimeters millimeters in width, and yeah, so this one is obviously, I think it's about 20 something, so you can see the difference in size.
Reach it super fast. Do you know what I mean?
So also my little nook area, you can see this is another lampshade that I got, and again it's in the burgundy, so that's why I wanted to tie it all together. It's on a lovely Laura Ashley vintage. I actually got this from eBay. So above the little nook I have these two pictures here, and I did have these cowbells that I did, and I aged them, and they look really well and nice. I think that I might put these away, keep them for when it's more winter, and I'm going to put the light in between these two pictures. I think it's a perfect place for it, and then with the lampshade on top. Put it on the wall now, and I just think that it looks so much better having this lovely light and the actual, I'm charging the battery as we speak because I want to show you what it looks like when they've got the batteries in. So that battery's charging. It's going to take a while to charge, so let it charge fully.